Hey guys, I want to show you this new cat tower I got here. Here, I got to help my old cat down here. This is old Toesy cat. He's only got one eye. He's sitting up here on this top shelf. He's 16 years old. I've got to help him. He's going to try and jump down here. Hold on. Oh, he did it. And listen to this. This is cool. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers to it. And look at these cat toys. Whenever they touch them, they have a motion sensor in them that sets them off. There's one there and one there. Is that not cool? That'll stimulate the cats to play. And neat has these little towers here. Very well built. It's very sturdy. I mean, that thing is all there, and each one of these posts has this jute wrapped so they can sharpen their claws on them. There's a real tall ones there, so they can really stretch out and sharpen their claws. Anyway, I'll get some video showing my cats playing on this. But Toesy, I set him on this shelf here, and he jumped up to that top. Now he got down and got him something to eat right there. He's trying to get him something to eat. Anyway, I'll get some more video of my other cats playing on this. I'll be back. Very neat. Very simple instructions, very easy to build. You know, you just follow the instructions. Took me about 30 minutes to build it. Anyway, it's a neat product. And this comes off so you can wash it too. It just stretches on that. Has a, an elastic strap, so it comes off and it's nice and soft. Very cool. Neat product. We have 4 cats here. Hey guys, it's RowdyDawg. Now this was sent to me to do my review on and evaluation on, and that's what I'm doing, and I like it. I think it's cool. We have 4 cats, 7 dogs, and a rescue parakeet over here. Hey, Blue. Anyway, guys, I'll get some shots of my other cats playing on this, okay? I'll be back. Say bye, Toesy. Say bye, Toesy, Posy. Toesy. I think he likes the string better than he likes the bird. You getting that, Snugs? Chewing on the string. Silly. There's old Toesy, got up there. Here, play with the birdie. Come on, Toesy, you can play. Play with that birdie. I think he's trying to jump down. Okay, let's see if I can get with it. Oh, he's playing with it now. You gonna play with that bird? Play with that birdie. Oh, he just wants to go get him something to eat over there. Well, there's old Snugs again. He loves this thing. I think that's his new hangout. Isn't it, Snugs? Huh? You like this deal? Yeah, he likes it. I don't know, he might just run off my other cats. He likes it, he sits right there. He hadn't got up yet. Anyway, let's see if I can get my other cats up here at some point. I hadn't seen them, they don't usually come out till dark. Anyway, oh, Sarge, get away from that. You hear those birds? That's cool that they go off whenever they have motion on them. That's so cool. Okay, here's Hover. And she's finally got up here. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. She's a little skittish. But she's up there. Looky here. Let's see if she'll play with that toy. You like that toy? Go on. You like that toy? Here comes old Toes. He's coming back. What's here? See that? those little toys are so cute. It's really stimulating. I know Snugs likes them. My dog likes them. Get. Sarge is fun. I've never seen a dog play with a cat toy. Go on. You can't have my cat toy. Go on. That's funny. Anyway, there's old Hover. Here's old Toesy. Come here, old Toesy. Okay, I think we got 2 of them up there. Sun's going down now. This thing's tall. I mean, this is almost as tall as I am. I'm 5'11". This thing is, I think he said it's 68 inches tall. That's tall. What do you think about that, Toesy? He's gonna get that bird going. There he goes. Sarge, no. Anyway, they'll all get on there eventually. Ooh, Snugs. You like that thing? What you doing, dude? That's a good kitty. You like your little tower?